Okay. A very good afternoon to the children of class 10 Pine. Okay, first of all, I want to take the attendance, please. Clear? Sharthok, are you there? Wait, let me see. Nondita. Nondita. Then Sumi. Yes, Nondita, Sumi. Wait. Shomodeep. Shomodeep. This is Arman. Wait. Shatodeep. Swastika. Acha, let me see anyone else is there. Ayush. Ayush is there. Okay. Noreen, Shatudeep, Arman, Ayush, Swastika, Ayun. Amit. Okay, Amit is there. Yes, good afternoon. Once again, you just see I'm calling out the names till now, those who are present. Noreen is there. Then Ayush. Wait, Madhurjo. Just calling out the names, just see, check it out. Noreen is there, then Ayush is there, Nondita, then Satvik, Shomodeep, Shatodeep, Arman, Sumi, Amit, then Madhurjo, Swastika, Ayon. Is it okay? Devjit, wait. Okay, Devjit. Ayan, Rahman. Yes. I've given you Ayan. Anyone else? Okay. Just tell me which was the last question I have made you write. Anyone just tell me which was the last question we have written, you have written? Anyone please? Just tell me which was the last question I have made you write. Who passed an order making it necessary for political parties to hold their what? Hold their organization and find there. There will be Noreen, THEIR. THEIR. Okay, thank you, Noreen. Right next, please write next question. Right. What are political parties? What are political parties? What are political parties? Question mark. Right. Political parties form FORM, form an ANN. Yes, Noreen, only one word I have made you write. What was the only one word? Yes, that will be the answer. This is one word answer. Yes, this is the answer. It was for 1 marks. The Election Commission. Okay. Right. Political parties, what did I say? Political parties. What was the word? Political parties form an important part of a democracy. Full stop. They are a fairly, 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 fairly large group of people, fairly large group of people following FOLLOWING, following a definite, DEFINITE, definite ideology, IDEOLOGY, following a definite ideology and taking part in the struggle for power, taking part in the struggle for power within the brackets you write elections. Struggle for power is also known as election. Taking part in the struggle for power, you write within the brackets election, then close the bracket, TO2, form, FORM, form the government. Form the government, full stop. Next question. What are the different functions of a democracy? Question mark. Right. Put a question mark, write the answer. Right. Political parties are essential instruments in a democracy. In a democracy, full stop. They perform various important functions in a democracy. Important functions in a democracy. Then put a colon, change the line. Subpoint 1. Right. A democracy is based on elections as the people can exercise their their sovereign power through elections. Full stop. The political parties contest elections and candidates from different parties get elected, full stop. Now children, the next parts I will do the next day, clear? I'll do it up till here today, and for your middle term, this midterm, I will always inspire you or advise you to go through the chapter very in detail, so that small answer type questions will come. One marks question, you know that, MCQ pattern questions. Clear? Okay, thank you very much.